again, hey girls. Notice says elimination again, okay? We are still going to be doing elimination, but we're going to extend on it just a little bit today, okay? So what we're looking at here is, so if I look at this first example, what's wrong with this first problem? Raise your, whoa, raise your hand, raise your hand. Emma starts off. That's right, you can't cancel anything out. You have a 2 and a 3, no good there. You have technically a 1 and a 2, no good there. Does anybody know how we can fix this problem? Because it is fixable. Evan?
Change the signs.
Well, signs aren't going to change my number.
No, I mean, multiply by -1 and then like by -2. Wait, what?
Which one? Top one or bottom one?
Oh, bottom one.
Evan, shh, just listen. Shh.
Multiply by -2 on the top.
Okay, so if what we're looking here, we're going to multiply by -2. He's right. Okay? So if we're multiplying by -2, what do you think he's trying to eliminate here? Ben?
The Y's.
The Y's. Okay? So it does not matter. You can eliminate X's or the Y's. It does not matter. Okay? So here, I'm going to multiply this by -2. So I'll have a +2 and a -2. Now they cancel. Does that make sense? If, just for argument's sake, I wanted to cancel the X column, how could we do that? Ben, what do you think?
You have to multiply the top by -2 and then multiply the bottom by positive. Or no, you have to multiply the top by -3, multiply the bottom by +2.
Okay, so he's saying, well, 2 and 3, we got nothing really in common, so we kind of go to our first common number, which would be 6, right? 2 times 3 would be 6. All right, so he's saying if I multiply the top by a 3 and the bottom by a 2, that will give me 6's. And then what I really liked he did was he also picked up, I'm also going to have a negative on something. Now, do you think it matters if I say -3 here, or if I change this to a -2? No, it won't matter, okay? Now, in this case, though, I'm not going to do the x's. Why would I multiply both when I can get by with canceling the y's and just multiplying the one equation? Because we know that the less we have to change things, the better our chances of not making an error, okay? So in this particular problem, I would get rid of the y's, and to do that, I'm going to multiply by -2 so that these will cancel, okay? So now, when I say multiply by -2, I mean everything gets multiplied by -2, okay? So we're going to have -4x, a -2y, and a -46 when we do that. Okay, so notice how I'm multiplying all 3 parts by -2. Okay, you have to change the whole equation. You just can't change a part of it. Okay? Now, on the second equation, I'm not going to touch it, so I'm just going to rewrite 3x plus 2y equals 37. Okay? So now, guys, we're just right back to where we were yesterday. Exact same location. So what's going to cancel? We've already talked about that the y's are going to cancel. We've also talked about that it's always an addition. So what is -4 plus 3? -1x or -x, it's all the same thing, equals, all right, what is -46 plus 37?
-9.
-9. So what does x equal?
X equals 9.
Okay. Now, when you plug this in to get the y value, okay, I recommend you just plug it back into one of the originals, okay? If, though, you want to plug it into the one that you changed, it's okay, because it's the same equation, just wrote a little bit different, okay? So you could take and plug 9 in here. The only problem we usually get there is when it starts getting really big numbers on us. Like if we have like x equals 57, we have a lot more chance of error there, okay? So to keep the numbers smaller, more manageable, and where you can do more with your head, okay, than relying on the calculator, I would take it and plug it into either the one of the originals over here. So I would do one of these guys, okay? Which one do you guys want to do, top or bottom? Top it is. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in to the top. So we have 2 times 9 plus y equals 23. Is everybody good there? Okay. Okay, so what's 2 times 9? 18. Plus y equals 23. And when we subtract that off, y equals 5. Very good. So now what would my coordinate point, Chloe, what would my coordinate point be for this problem?
You would be, it'd be 9, 7, 5.
Good, very good, 9 and 5. Okay. All right. Okay, look at number 2, don't say anything, raise your hand when you think you know what you would multiply by. So just take a look at it. And raise your hand when you think you've got something that might work. We're gonna wait for a few more hands to go up, okay? Okay, Clinton, what do you think? On top of bottom one. Okay, Quentin says multiply the bottom by -2. And what are you gonna cancel? What's your hope there to cancel?
Y.
He's gonna get rid of the y's. Okay, go ahead and try it on your own.